So my friends, welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Well, you see a lot of fruit here, and that's because today we're gonna talk about fruit and weight loss. Let me tell you, in my 20 years of experience as a registered dietitian and weight loss coach, I have never had someone have come to me and say, I gained weight because I ate too many mangoes. That will be the day that I quit my job. Just kidding. So probably you still wonder which fruit is best, Manuel. Well, all fruit can play a role in weight loss. So my secret is that you need to understand the portion size of the fruit. Why? Yes, some fruits have more sugar than other fruits. So for example, berries tend to have less sugar, so the serving size is a cup, 3/4 cups to a cup. Now, tropical fruits tend to have a little more sugar, so the serving size is a 1/2 cup. Or if you weigh your fruit, 4 ounces of the edible part of the fruit. Fruits come with many nutrients: fiber, antioxidants, phytonutrients, bioactive compounds. I'm telling you, many nutrients. And the sugar is natural sugar. It's naturally existing in the fruit. It's not added sugar like high fructose corn syrup or any other syrup. Now, this sugar is a good carbohydrate that can help us fuel our brains and our muscles. So I love fruit. I eat it as a pre-workout, post-workout, snacks. The other thing is too that you need to understand to pair the fruit. Pair it with fat, a good fat with almonds, walnuts, you name it, or protein. You can pair it with cheese, fruit and cheese, yum, Greek yogurt. That's the idea, that you want to pair the fruit with a protein, pair the fruit with a good fat. And now that you know the fruit is okay for weight loss, let's make this beautiful fruit salad that I have here for you. So, are you ready? Let's get cooking, my friends. So I'm going to start by adding mango, add some strawberries. By the way, the recipe is in my blog. The link is below. You can click on it and you'll see the recipe. Now let's add some, this is from Cuties, the tangerines. Delicious. Now something that you need to remember, some grapes, about eating fruit and vegetables is that you want to vary the color. Different colors provide different health benefits due to their phytonutrient. Their phytonutrient is what provides the color to the fruit. By the way, those phytonutrients is their immune system. So by eating phytonutrients, you boost your immune system as well. Some kiwi. I love kiwis, the color, and those little seeds are gorgeous. My favorite, blueberries. There you go. And then we have, these are golden berries, South American fruit, bananas. And you're like, oh wow, he's eating bananas. Yes, bananas are great. And these are apples. Love it. Now, what I've done too, because I wanted to have a nice touch to these, I created a little sauce. This is 100% orange juice with a coconut sugar and a bit of cinnamon, and I done a reduction, and that brings a lot of flavor to this beautiful fruit salad. And we're gonna end it with topping some shredded coconut. Yes, look at that. A little more. All right, so now let's stir so everything gets evenly coated with the salsa, the sauce that I created. And there, look at that beauty. So color, remember color, serving size, portions, and eat fruit because you get a lot of nutrition by eating your fruit. So I hope you learned something today. Oh, hold on. Let me taste these. I have to taste this beautiful, let me see. I'm gonna do a blueberry with kiwi. delicious. I'm telling you, this is a win-win-win. Your family is gonna love it. Make it tonight. If you have any fruit, you can use any fruit. And you're gonna eat these. You can eat this fruit salad during breakfast time, snack with yogurt, lunch, after lunch, or dinner. Yes, you can have fruit at night time too. It's not gonna happen. Nothing is gonna happen to you. Fruit at night time is great, especially if you pair it with a protein like Greek yogurt or cheese. Fantastic, my friends. So I hope you learned something today. And remember, if you want to know more about myself, more articles, my books, blogs, recipes, visit manuelvillacorta.com. Or if you like to lose weight and you need a coach, I am available now. You can book your free session, your discovery call, and you can talk to me and I can hear what your needs are and then discuss to you about my program and how I'm going to tailor that to you. It's customized to each person. All right, so I hope you enjoy this again and go make that fruit salad now. Take care now. Bye.